Well, hello again, everyone. We are going to work in our sketchbooks again, and today we are going to be talking about hatching and cross-hatching. And those are two terms to describe how you can shade in your picture. Now, shading helps to make things look more three-dimensional. So we're going to start, and we're going to make a cube. So I'm making this kind of stretched out diamond shape. And I'm just using pencil. And then this middle one, I'm going to make that come down. And these two side ones are going to be a little bit shorter. And these bottom lines have to match the same direction as the top. So here and here. There's our cube. So drawing something a certain way helps to give it form, but also the way you shade it helps to give you form. So hatching lines are really simple. They're just straight lines, and they go all the way down like this. You do have to have some type of control going slow. This does take practice. But like I mentioned in the earlier video on value scales, is that you want to think of these activities as practice, as warm-up. All right, so now this side. This side of the cube is going to be a little bit darker. So over here, I should have mentioned earlier, this is the side where the light would be shining. So it's going to be darker over here. So I'm going to continue on with my hatching lines. So hopefully you didn't make your cube too big. And now I'm going to add another line for cross-hatching, and I'm going to use a diagonal. So hatched lines, cross-hatch. Now there's going to be a shadow here, so what I would do is maybe make where my shadow would be. Oops, I erase that there. And again, I'm going to use the hatch lines. And you want to kind of keep them together. You can see that I'm going a little quick here now. And I'm going to hatch them in another direction. So now I'm cross-hatching. And how close you put them together is going to help describe how dark it is. Now that's similar to this one, so now I'm going to cross-hatch again and go in a different direction because I want this to be a bit darker. And then and you just keep going until you get the right darkness for what you're doing. Okay. I'm going to go back here. So now you have your cube that with hatch and cross-hatched lines to show shading.